what we're doing is we're actually going to cook it in the sous vide circulator today.
Awesome.
And what we did is we just cryovac'd the venison, and we added some juniper berries, some bay leaf, some rosemary, some thyme, and just a pinch of salt, and we added a little bit of duck fat. Venison is so lean, we need to add that fat to it to make it, you know, just taste better. Fat is flavor.
We love fat here.
So we're gonna just drop that into the sous vide circulator.
All right.
And we're gonna cook that at 128 degrees.
About how long?
For about an hour and 15 minutes.
Wow. And that's gonna be medium rare in the center?
It's gonna be a perfect medium rare.
Awesome.
And then all we're gonna do at the end of the process is sear it up and make it golden brown and delicious.
Can't wait.
Okay, so all I did was I removed this from the bag, and we removed the aromatics. And now we're just gonna slice it down into some chops, and we're going to get a nice sear on the venison.
I've never had venison as a rack like this on the bone, like a chop.
Yeah, it is just an amazing cut, and you can see this, that it is just, and you see the juice coming out.
Gosh,
and so all we're gonna do is we just wanna get a little bit of caramelization on the venison, and we're gonna go ahead and on high heat.
Now what were you going to do with these scraps over here?
I was just showing you that those were the ends of, you're going to eat them, obviously.
Oh my God.
But, so we're going to sear it in a little bit of duck fat.
Nice, so again with that duck fat.
And we're going to pop these right in.
And you want it that hot? You want it smoking a little bit?
Yeah, you want it smoking. It's going to get a really nice sear on it. And then all of the protein that gets caught on the bottom of a pan is going to make a great pan sauce.
Oh, the fond.
And
I know my fancy
up.
words. Now, just from this little bit that I tasted here, you said you only put a little bit of salt in the sous vide bag.
Correct.
It tastes very well seasoned.
Yeah, absolutely. And you know, I season it at both stages.
Yeah.
You season it in the sous vide process and the finishing dish.
Now, is that because of the vacuum seal? Does it really help it absorb all of the flavor?
Yeah, so everything is staying and concentrated inside. It doesn't have anywhere to go.
Right,
so it's not it's not being braised in a liquid or anything like that. It's just the straight aromatics. And we usually put those aromatics in 24 hours in advance.
Oh, so it marinates
and let that
a little?
go overnight.
Nice.
And then we'll cook it, and then for dinner service. So we're just getting a really nice
so quick.
golden brown. Okay?